Hi students, this is the last topic of the unit 3, vector identities. After completion of this topic, student will be able to use the differential, how to use the differential operators. Now some of the theorems related to the vector identities. Let us take first theorem. Let f bar comma pi be differential vector and scalar functions respectively, then del dot pi of f bar is equal to del pi dot f bar plus pi of del dot f bar, or div of pi f bar is equal to grad pi dot f bar plus pi div f bar. Now let us coming to the proof of this one. Del dot pi f bar is equal to, for simplicity we have to take the summation I of dou by dou x of pi f bar. Here pi is a scalar and f bar is a vector. Therefore, summation I into dou pi by dou x f bar plus pi into dou f bar by dou x, that is equal to summation I into dou pi by dou x of f bar plus summation of I dou f bar by dou x pi. Now that is equal to summation I dou pi by dou x dot f bar plus summation of I dou f bar by dou x of pi, because pi is a scalar that we have to put outside. Therefore, del pi dot f bar plus del f bar dot pi, that is equal to nothing but grad pi dot f bar plus pi dot div f bar. There ends this one. And again the second theorem, prove that curl of pi f bar is equal to del pi cross f bar plus pi of del cross f bar. Now coming to the proof of this one, curl of pi f bar is equal to del cross of pi f bar. For simplicity we have to take the summation, that is equal to summation I cross of dou by dou x of pi f bar, that is equal to summation I cross of dou pi by dou x dot f bar plus pi into dou f bar by dou x, that is equal to split into two summations in the next term, that is equal to summation I cross dou pi by dou x f bar plus summation I cross dou f bar by dou x. That means cross is valid only between two vectors, and finally we get this one, summation I cross dou pi by dou x cross f bar plus summation I of cross dou f bar by dou x, that is finally del pi cross f bar plus del cross f bar of pi. And again we move to the third theorem, prove that div of a bar cross b bar is equal to b bar dot curl f bar minus a bar dot curl b bar, or in the notation del dot of a bar cross b bar is equal to b bar dot of del cross a bar minus a bar dot of del cross b bar. Now div of a bar cross b bar is equal to del dot of a bar cross b bar. For simplicity we have to take the summation I of dou by dou x of a bar cross b bar, that means summation I of, you have to use the property dou a bar by dou x cross b bar plus a bar cross dou b bar by dou x, that is equal to summation I split into two summations in the next one, and again we have to interchange the dot product and cross product. Finally, summation I cross dou a bar by dou x dot b bar minus summation I dou cross dou b bar by dou x dot a bar, interchanging dot and cross product, that is nothing but curl a bar dot b bar minus curl b bar dot a bar, that is equal to b bar curl a bar minus a bar curl b bar. And these are the some practice problems that you have to done as a homework, that is a very important for examination, and these are the some quiz problems related to this topic. And after the end of these 3 videos we give the feedback as you wish letter, and the overall rating given at the end of this lecture, the scales from 1 to 5. Thank you students, best of luck.